Hi guys, it's Eko Matsidi and I'm with the one and only my husband.
Hi guys, it's your boy Kevin.
Before jam,
And ba re thakala ngwana o tala go lla guys ke ne stress se ngwa kere mara ka se go mpone go ka nyeyo guys I'm going through a lot but then ke tono shinya ka le otherwise nna le na ratana mama.
Matshidiso is back on social media after all the drama involving her and Limpopo Boy, and once again she's trending, and this time it's because she's been booked at Propaganda. Now, the big question people are asking is, what exactly is Matshidiso booked for? Because as far as we know, she's not a musician or an artist, so people are wondering what role she'll be playing at the event. And judging from the reactions online, it looks like people definitely haven't forgotten everything that happened recently. Some people feel like it's a little too soon for Matshidiso to be back in the club and event scene after everything that happened. One person even said they feel sorry for her husband, arguing that the situation could make it difficult for him to feel completely comfortable with her attending an event where there'll be obviously a lot of people around. But then again, we have to be careful about speaking for someone else's marriage. We don't actually know what conversations Matshidiso and her husband have had behind closed doors or what boundaries they've agreed on. And honestly, there's another side to this whole situation. Life has to continue. And that's just facts. Whatever happened between Matshidiso, Limpopo Boy and the people involved, she still has a life to live and potentially a career to rebuild. If she's getting booked for events and people are willing to work with her, some people believe she should be allowed to move forward instead of being permanently judged for one chapter of her life. Personally, I can understand why people are questioning the timing. After such a public situation, stepping back into the same environment that people associate with the controversy is naturally going to attract attention. But what do you guys think? Do you support Matshidiso getting back to events and enjoying her life? Or do you think she should take some time away from the spotlight? And what do you think about her being booked at Propaganda? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's have a respectful discussion. Peace.